Ronda Rousey felt. Liz Carmouche, she came, also stepped up for the challenge. But Ronda was a little bit too much in the end.
And I'll tell you what, guys, they didn't waste any time.
No.
The second that Big John let him go, Liz gets after it, but Liz takes a dominant position at her own game, at the grappling. She puts a face crank on right here. Look, I can assure you, Ronda's never been in this. She doesn't know, should I fight the leg? Should I shake her up top? She's just dog tough, finds a way out of it, adjusts herself, and then starts to take control. She gets on top. Now, guys, this is all in the same round. This is all the first round. So right now, all Ronda's trying to do is win this round. Now, this is where she gets in. She gets the armbar.
And there's no stopping that.
You know, guys, it is amazing when you consider 7 straight first round submissions. What's even more amazing is everybody on the face of the earth in the fight game knows exactly what she's going to do. Rashad, you fought Leota. Why don't you take this one?
Man, for the #1 contention of the light heavyweight division, you know, it's always hard. In the first round, there's a lot of feeling out. Dan Henderson could really just never find his range, but it was Machida with the sweep and a surprising takedown in the first round. And it was a really surprise because you thought Dan Henderson was going to get the takedown, but it didn't happen. In the second round, Dan Henderson could not seem to find his range. Machida just seemed to be a little bit too crafty, landing a little bit more significant shots, but nothing really substantial. You know, nothing really to make you open your mouth and say, wow, he got it. But in the third round, Machida got taken down by Dan Henderson, of course, but it was really nothing that happened in this fight. It was like, okay, they fought.
Again, I want to get to a Twitter poll question right here. We want to bring you in the conversation here. Should Leota Machida now get another shot at the title? Hashtag Machida, title shot, Machida, no shot. Into prime time. Him against the always crafty Ivan Menjivar. Chell?
Well, look, I don't think anybody told Menjivar, aside from the walk right here that you're about to see, that he was in a fight tonight. He simply did not perform. He had one big moment, which we're about to see, which is what we know as a head and arm, and then he can't hold the position. Uriah gets on top, starts plugging away with elbows.
Beautiful elbows.
Beautiful elbows, but notice Menjivar's guard is completely closed. His hands aren't doing anything. He's not looking for action. They get a little bit of a scramble. Uriah takes his back, and again,
you at least have gravity on your side. Fall to your head or something like that. And that's what puzzled me about Shake him.
Shake him
Try
off.
to get up and do something.
And he almost looked satisfied, like, you know what? Okay, I was just tapping. It was just time right there.
Like,
But again,
you got me, boss.